Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about one particular finance group of stocks for the month of September 2020. So, of course, August is going to end by the end of next week. The F&O expiry falls on coming Thursday. So, it is time to think about prominent stocks for the month of September. So I am tracking one particular group of stocks named the Bajaj group. So Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv and Bajaj Auto. So these are the stocks I am tracking. I am going to make ultimate money in the month of September. So I have a research snapshot. So I'll tell you one by one. Looking at the Bajaj Finance, the Bajaj Finance is already in the overbought status, and looking at the current market price falls on the last Friday. The current market price is 3,390, and in my prediction it may go up to the level of 3,555 level and sub level. Suppose the stock goes in a reverse direction, any adverse news affects the stock, any setback affects the stock, any government policies, any kind of negative sentiment chasing the stock, this may go down up to 3,144. So these are the two prominent levels. The upper side, the stock may reach 3,555, and the lower side it has a bottom support at 3,144 level. So this is about the Bajaj Finance stock. And moving over to the other stock of the Bajaj group, Bajaj Finserv. So Bajaj Finserv is also in a overbought status. In the month of July and August, we made massive jackpots in Bajaj Finserv in our casino option trading. Looking at the current market price, the Bajaj Finserv is trading at 6,285. The closing price on the last Friday is 6,285, and looking at the upper side, it may reach up to 6,606 sub level. So this is the ultimate level for the month of September in my prediction. Suppose this stock also going in a reverse direction, based on the negative sentiment or based on the selling pressure at higher level. So this may go down up to 6,060, 6060, the magical number, and even it falls below this level, it may reach 5915 sub level. So these are the three predominant levels for the Bajaj Finserv stock. The upper side is 6606. It's also a magical number, 6606, and lower side 6060. Then another lower side maybe around 5915. And moving over to the other Bajaj group stock, Bajaj Auto. Bajaj Auto gave me a moderate level profit in the month of August in trading. Looking at the Bajaj Auto, the current market price is around 3056, and it may go up to 3030, a magical number. So the upper side is, it may reach the target 3030, so based on my own prediction, and lower level it may touch to 2765. So these are the two distinct levels for the Bajaj Auto stock. The upper side it may reach 3030, and the lower side it may touch 2765. So these are the three stocks I am going to make a massive super profit in the month of September. Suppose if you want to make money like me, you can follow me. You can follow my social media status, Facebook, Insta and Twitter handle status. And also if you want to make a consistent high profit, jackpot profit, double money profit, triple money profit, you can subscribe to bullsStreetcasino online trading tips magazine. The subscription details are given in the description box. There is a website called bullsstreet.com. Click the link, go to the site, you can able to find out the subscription detail. Otherwise, if you can contact me through the WhatsApp number I'll give the details. So, making money with Bajaj Finance, Bajaj FinServ and Bajaj stock is ahead. So, don't miss this opportunity. Thank you very much.